Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 30th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, the last couple of days, gold has been making a very overlapping, very corrective looking pattern. I think, based on the dollar index and looking at other gold pairs versus other currencies, that this move up is very likely a correction. Now, currently, I have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here because if it breaks structure to the downside at a fib level, I would definitely go back to being bearish. I think this is actually in a big downtrend on the very high time frames. Now, we have FOMC interest rate news this evening for the US dollar, which is a big news event, and I will be live streaming on YouTube starting 30 minutes before the news release. But so make sure you stop in for that. To me, it seems like it's going to end up going up and grabbing these highs before it goes down. Maybe it'll end up doing something like this, grab that liquidity, and then end up continuing the downtrend. Like I said, overall in the high time frames, definitely bearish for now. On like the 1 hour time frame, obviously it's drifting up. So if you're trading below the 1 hour, then I would be recommending longs at least until we get either a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, or we get that liquidity grab and reversal potentially at the news later on today. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.